Welcome to Klahanie Service Center, where we're happy to provide all your car and truck maintenance and repair needs. We have 5 service bays and ASE certified master technicians on duty 5 days a week. Come in or call and schedule an appointment today. We can help.
Wouldn't it be nice to have a car free of repairs and maintenance? Of course, that'll never happen. All vehicles need help once in a while, but if you are informed and look hard, you can find a vehicle for you that is more reliable and less costly to repair than others. U.S. News & World Report tells us about their favorites for 2023 in the category of ease and inexpensive repair and maintenance. The Buick Encore GX and the Nissan Murano can save you money and have excellent reliability scores based on data from J.D. Power & Associates. Great warranties are another way to lower your repair expenses. Kia, Hyundai, Genesis, and Mitsubishi have the best warranties in the industry. These 4 automakers back their new cars with a 6-year, 60,000-mile basic warranty and a 10-year and 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. U.S. News points out that Subarus make it easier to do it yourself with highlighted inspection points and brightly colored user-serviceable areas. And with their fervent enthusiasts, you can usually find a fix-it video on YouTube. Full-size pickup trucks are the most popular vehicles in America. As such, the Chevy Silverado, Ford F-150, and Ram 1500 have roomy engine compartments for easy-to-reach maintenance, though they mention that older trucks, and specifically the pre-2014 Silverado, allow for much easier maintenance. There are other vehicles worth mentioning, but we'll save that for our next video. See you then.
Klahanie Service Center is open 7 days a week, and mechanics are on duty Monday through Friday to help you.